Hi students, I welcome you all. My name is Simran and I will teach you a lot of things about this subject. So we will be studying about our neighborhood, our family first of all, then what kind of neighborhood do we have, all the things around our neighborhood, how should we behave when we are out, and then sky above us and all the associated phenomena with that. So let us begin. So today's topic is my school. So we will be reading about our school, your school in general. Now let's start. Name the following of your school: principal, class teacher, music teacher, dance teacher, PT teacher. इन सभी के नाम आपको यहाँ पर लिखने हैं. Now we all go to school. School is the foundation of our knowledge. हम सभी स्कूल जाते हैं. हमें सबसे पहला जो ज्ञान मिलता है, नॉलेज मिलती है, वी गेट इट फ्रॉम द स्कूल इटसेल्फ. So we learn many things at school. We learn to read and write. We learn to solve problems or to solve sums. We learn to draw and color. We learn good manners. We also play different games. We learn to share things with our friends. We celebrate various festivals together in the school. So ये सारी चीज़ें आप स्कूल में सीखते हैं. You learn to read and write, सम्स को सॉल्व करना, ड्रॉ करना, पेंट करना, डांस करना, सिंगिंग करना, गुड मैनर्स, how to make good friends, how to stay with them very nicely. All of these things we learn in school, and apart from all of these things, we also celebrate all the festivals beautifully in our schools. Now, good to know, ancient boarding school in India were called Gurukuls, and Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. So, Gurukuls आपके पहले ancient time पे जो आपके boarding schools होते थे, they were called Gurukuls, and Teachers' Day 5th September को celebrate होता है. Now, let's see different rooms in a school. So we have many rooms. So there are many rooms in the school, like the principal's office, जहाँ पे आपकी principal बैठ के सारे काम करती है, official काम. Then staff room where all the teachers sit. Then library where all the books are kept. Medical room, जब आप बीमार हो जाते हैं तो आप medical room जाते हैं. Then washroom. Then you have playground where you play together. Classroom where we study. Then we have canteen where we have delicious food to eat. Then we have computer room जहाँ पर आप कंप्यूटर के बारे में सीखते हैं, and then you learn how to operate computer. Then we also learn about music and dance room जहाँ पे आप म्यूजिक भी सीखते हैं, डांस करना भी सीखते हैं. Now let's see people who work in school. So there are many people who work in our school. For example, principal. The principal is the head of the school. He or she takes decisions and makes rules for the school. Head होते हैं principal हर school के, और वो सारे important decisions और school के rules को formulate करते हैं. Then we have a teacher. A teacher is a person who teaches us many things at the school. अलग अलग subjects आपको teacher पढ़ाती हैं, खेलना वगैरह या अलग अलग topics के बारे में, good manners, ये सारे आपको teachers सिखाती है. Then librarian. A librarian is a person who maintains all records of books in the school library and issues books to the students when needed. So librarian school में सारे library की books को maintain करती है, records maintain करती है, and she also issues you the books whenever you need them. Then you have a gardener. A gardener is a person who maintains greenery at the school garden to make it look beautiful. Gardener garden को maintain रखता है, साफ सुथरा रखता है. Then we have a sweeper. A sweeper sweeps all classrooms, activity room, washrooms and other rooms before the school starts. तो school में आपके पहुंचने से पहले sweeper सारी साफ सफाई maintain रखता है. And then gatekeeper or the security guard. A gatekeeper or a security guard protects the school's property and guards the school. अब स्कूल की प्रॉपर्टी को कोई हार्म ना करे, उसके लिए गेट पे कौन होते हैं? गेटकीपर और द गार्ड्स. Now let's take a test. Write yes or no. Teacher do not play with children. That is not true because sometimes they do play with you. And likewise, you have to answer the rest of the questions also. Now let's revise. We go to school to learn, write and play. There are many rooms in a school. We should keep our school neat and clean. Many people work in our school. The principal is the head of the school. So we learn a lot of things in school. We have a number of rooms in the school and the principal is the head of the school. Now the practice time. Tick the correct answer. Our teachers sit in their free period in the staff room. Option B. The teacher writes in the blackboard with a chalk. Option A. During the break, we eat lunch. Option A. We play games in the playground of the school. Option B. Now match the following. So number 1, what is it? It is your playground. Then second, it is the canteen. Option E. Then number 3 is your classroom. Option A. Then number 4 is the principal's office. Option D. And number 5 is the library. Option B. Answer the following questions. What is the name of your school? So यहाँ पर आपको अपने स्कूल का नाम लिखना है. Whatever your school's name is, just write down here. And likewise, you have to answer the rest of the questions also. Now, skills builder. Find the names of classroom objects in the word grid. So, number 1 line में आपके पास है duster. D-U-S-T-E-R. Duster. Likewise, आपको अलग अलग यहाँ पे objects given हैं. You just have to find them in the grid box. Now, life skill. We should keep our school clean. Always throw garbage in the dustbin. तो स्वीपर बहुत मेहनत से आपका स्कूल साफ करते हैं, तो आप कचरा आसपास नहीं फेंकेंगे. Always throw the garbage in the dustbin. So students, I hope you've understood each and everything that I have taught you with the exercises. Just follow whatever I have told you and do the exercises properly.